The Meridian Sound System, 380 watts of power and 11 speakers strategically placed within the cabin. For the Meridian Sound System, we applied 3 different technologies: digital signal processing, digital leader shaping, and Meridian cabin correction. Meridian DSP technology, we like it to call it almost like a conductor of an orchestra. Is able to direct all the different elements of the system, coordinate them together to deliver to the listener an incredible musical experience. Meridian Digital Leader Shaping is a technology that enables the listener to bring in every format in their car. With format we mean CD, MP3. Every time music is digitalized, there is a degradation in terms of sound. Meridian Digital Leader Shaping clean these formats and enable the finest details of the music to come out in the car so that everyone can enjoy. Meridian understands the uniqueness of each cabin shape. Meridian cabin correction is a technology that analyzes the cabin shape. The acoustics and the resonance that happen within the cabin has to be taken into consideration. This technology enables us to remove all the unwanted resonance within the car to give back to the listener a perfect musical experience. The Meridian Surround Sound System comes with 17 loudspeakers and 825 watts of power. It's a step up from the Meridian Sound System, which is 380 watts and 11 loudspeakers. The additional 6 speakers, they are crucial for this system. We're talking about the center channel on the dashboard and the 2 rear on the boot of the car. Now your dashboard became a stage, and you can see the singer and the guitarist and the band is playing for you. Those speakers enable Meridian to deliver tri-field technology into the vehicle. What tri-field does is recreating the authentic performance in front of you, so that everyone in the car, independently of where they're sitting, they're gonna get the same consistent and authentic experience. We enhanced the Meridian Surround Sound System. We added 2 center channels on the back seat of the front row to enable the sound stage to unleash all that authenticity, all that real connection with the music, also for the rear passengers. So we don't deliver just a consistent and authentic experience, but it's now becoming a personal experience for each occupant of the vehicle.
Meridian is a boutique brand. We have, of course, strong recognition and broad reach amongst music lovers, but our entire focus is not on marketing our name, but delivering performance. We believe that whilst proud of what we do, our work should speak for itself. And I believe the same is true of Jaguar Land Rover. Our approach to amazing high-resolution audio systems is similar. We want it to be as simple to use as it is beautiful to look at. Under the hood, there are complexities that don't need to be seen to be enjoyed. And we share that same belief. We want to make the hairs on the back of your neck stand up. We want you to fall in love again with that music that you thought you knew. And we want to deliver perfect audio reproduction. One of the advantages of working with a company like Jaguar Land Rover and working in the automotive environment with them to deliver best-in-class sound is that we know precisely where the customer is going to be seated and where the loudspeakers are located. We've also developed some fantastic technological solutions to the unique environment of the car to ensure that the rhythm, the timing, and the real punch of a performance breaks through in the car. For us, it's almost the perfect environment to transport someone to where they want to go emotionally as well as physically.